All right, let's go ahead and linkify our home world. So our home world is data.homeworld, and that's a URL. And when it shows up in here, it says home world and then just a URL in here. So let's go ahead and actually cut this. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a link. This is going to be a really, really short video. So I just pasted that in there. This is a regular link. And would you look at that? It compiled fine. The only weird thing here is that href doesn't have apostrophes around it. We're using JavaScript inside of it. So we're saying, hey, React, when you compile this, curly brace, this is going to be JavaScript in here, so make sure you know what to do. Oh, by the way, we're closing that JavaScript. The rest is going to be HTML. And behind the scenes, it works a lot of logic and understands what it needs to do. So when I refresh here, we're going to see that this is now it's a hard to read link, but it actually is a link. And if I click this brings me to Planet 42, Haroon Kal, I guess. Oh, I'm sorry if you're a big Star Wars fan. I'm a pretty big Star Wars fan, but I don't know how to say all the names. So I'm sorry if I butchered that. But it brought me to Mace Windu's home world. And again, all we did there was we said href is equal to open and close those curly braces, then put your JavaScript inside of it. That's all we had to do. In the next lesson, let's go ahead and work on sort of linkifying these films. But we have to learn how to loop through some of these first, and this is going to be a larger lesson. So make sure you have this up and working, and when you are ready, let's head on over to the next lesson where we learn how to loop through things in our HTML, or our JSX rather.